Hello friends, this is Bhanu Pratap. Today topic is communication. First of all, what is a communication? Communication is simply the act of the transferring information from one place, one person or group to another. As the definition make a clear, communication is the more than the simply the transmission of the information. The terms required of elements of the success in transmitting or importing a message, whether information, ideas or emotion. Our communication therefore has three parts: the sender, the message and the recipient. The sender encode the message usually in the mixer word and non-verbal communication. It is the transmitted in one way, for the example in speech or writing, and the recipient decodes it. Of course, there may be more than the one recipient, and the complexity of the communication means that each one may receive the slightly different message. Two people may read very different things into the choice of the word and over the body language. It is also possible that neither of them will be have quite the same understand as the sender. Category of communication: there is a four categories. First is a verbal communication, second is a non-verbal communication, third is a written communication, and fourth is visualization. First, verbal communication. The verbal communication is a type of oral communication wherein the message is transmitted through the spoken word. Here the sender gives word to his the feeling, thought, ideas and opinion and expression them in the form of speech, discussion, presentation and conversation of the effectiveness. Verbal communication depend upon the tones of the speaker, clarity of the speech, volume speech, body language and the quality of word used in the conversation. In the cases of the verbal communication, the feedback is important since there are a transmission and the receipt of the message by the sender and the receiver respectively. Second is a non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication can be a very powerful tools in the understand ourselves and others. Non-verbal communication is the transmission of the message or signal through a non-verbal platform such as the eye contact, facial expression, gesture and posture, and the distance between the two individuals. Non-verbal communication involves the conscious and unconscious process of the encoding and decoding. Encoding is the act of the generating information such as the facial expression, gesture and posture. Encoding information utilized signal which we may think to be universal. Decoding is the interpretation of the information from the receiver sensations given by the encoder. Decoder information utilize knowledge one may have of the certain received sensation. Third is a written communication, which include letter, email, social media, books, magazine, the internet and other media. Until recent time, relatively small number of the writer and the publisher were very powerful when it come to communicating the written, but today we can all write and publish our the ideas online, which has led to and the explosion of the information and the communication possibilities. Fourth and last is a visualization. In this communication, graph and chart, map, logo and other visualization can be communicate message. I hope this information is useful for your education. So please like, subscribe and press the bell icon of my YouTube channel. Thank you.